You are making 48 cookies for your friend's birthday. What are all the possible ways to arrange 48 cookies in an array? Okay, and to do that, I have our wood pucks from the classroom, so we can use these however you'd like. There's going to be paper and markers, so you guys are going to show me your thinking. That's always what I say, right guys? Show me your thinking.
This problem is informally asking students to find the factors of 48. But by using an array, students bump into some big mathematical ideas around multiplication. Let's take a look.
4 groups of 12 and 2 groups of 4.
Through arrays, one big idea that becomes highly visible is a commutative property. The students think of 48 as both 4 groups of 12 and 12 groups of 4. They next apply this thinking to 6 groups of 8 and 8 groups of 6.
The 8 and the 6, the 8 would take 6's spot and the 6 would go here. Because the 8 is the column and the 6 would be the row.
So what happens when you reverse the numbers? What happens
8
to the
takes place in the rows and 6 takes place in the columns. And then it would change the array and flip it like that. So then, yeah, like Maya's doing it. So then it would still get the same answer, but the shape or array would be different from the previous one.
These girls also demonstrate their relationship of the commutative property, but they add another big idea: the inverse relationship between multiplication and division.
So for this one, we have like 6 rows of 8. So each row has 8 cookies, and it equals 48. And then we did the opposite way, which is 8 rows of 6, which equals 48 too. And then we did a division sentence that's 48 divided by 8 equals 6, and 48 divided by 6 equals 8.
How I got 16 is if I doubled 8, so 8 plus 8 is 16, and then I couldn't double 6 because that would equal 48. I had to cut the 6 in half, and that would equal 3. So that's how I got 3 groups of 16.
The array is much more than a way to solve a problem or to communicate a solution. It's a powerful model that reveals the multiplication strategies students access, while at the same time causing students to bump up against very important mathematical ideas that they will leverage all through their life.